Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing and it is the Debenhams beauty calendar. It costs £85. You're able to purchase it now. It has a value of £390 and it contains 14 full-size products. There's 24 days in all, and if you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, then I'll pop a link down below in my description, as well as you'll see all my other discount codes and offers for other websites. You're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. I had a quick look yesterday. It seemed alright, but you know me, I'm a bit impulsive, and I thought, oh, okay. Last year's Debenhams advent calendar didn't quite do it for me, but I thought this year's, yeah, it looks a bit better. So I thought you lot might want to see what's inside as well. So yeah, so let's get on to opening up day number one. I'll just show you what it looks like. There's a QR code there, discover and win. I don't know anything about that, so I'll find that out afterwards. This is what it looks like. It's all little drawers. So day number one over here. This is Huxley Secret of Sahara Conditioning Essence Reframe. Great things never come from comfort zones. A conditioning essence. I'll read more about it now, but this is full size and there's 60 mils there. So a new brand for me. This conditioning essence with cactus ferment filtrate effectively hydrates and nourishes dehydrated skin, leaving it balanced quickly. Use the essence multiple times a day on dry skin and it keeps it moisturised. So it's a moisturising serum for your skin. That's a little bit different. How it's just going to come out? Oop, a little bit. That's okay. As you can see, it's all running. So yeah, it's literally like water. Oh, it smells really lovely. It smells like cactus. I'd imagine. I've got a ton of cactuses downstairs. I have a cactus subscription. I've been having a cactus every month for the last, what, 2.5 years? Yeah, it sort of smells fresh, outsidey, grass, cactusy, I can imagine. Not that I ever sniff my cactuses. So it's for your face and great for adding hydration to drier areas. Oh, it's a little bit different, isn't it? It is quite a heavy calendar. I should have filmed it behind me, but never mind. Day number two. We've got a Yankee Candle, amber and sandalwood, and 122 grams. Hopefully you'll be able to see there properly. Yeah, the ring light reflects badly. But that looks really nice, doesn't it? We've seen a lot of neon organics, which is nice. I got a load of neon candles behind me, but it is nice to see something different. Oh, it's lovely. Amber and sandalwood. It smells like a really nice men's perfume. That'd be really nice to light now coming into the autumn. I like the little lid that it's got as well. So yeah, happy with that. Day number three over here. What's been your favourite advent calendar so far? I can't remember how many I've unboxed now. I've unboxed quite a few. I have got a few more to do. A few on my radar as well. But yeah, it's always really exciting this time of year, isn't it? This is a This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. And there's 10 mils here. I received this in a different advent calendar. Can't remember which one now. Yeah, it's okay. I do use sleep sprays. I use them every single night. My daughter does as well, and my son now and again. But it's alright, but it's not my favourite. I have got others that I prefer. Day number four here. We've got Earth Harbour Calypso Vitamin C Moisture Elixir, Sea Berry and CoQ10. There's 30 mils here. I've tried this brand before, but not the vitamin C. So this is a rejuvenating moisture elixir. Where did I read vitamin C then? Yeah, vitamin C. It's just got it on the box. Very simple but smart design. Okay, like the beautiful water nymph Calypso Vitamin C Moisture Elixir is an enchanting blend of elegant moisture lock-in botanicals and alluring skin renewing properties that gives skin that post-beach glow. She is a crucial skincare treasure who seals your skin with a moisturizing kiss of ultra nutritive, barrier enhancing actives. Every skin type dreams of the soft, lifted and deeply rejuvenated feeling Calypso bestows. So we've got a vitamin C elixir there. Day number 5. Got an Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray, my favourite setting spray. This is 15 mils. I'll just get it out of the box and show you. Yeah, it's a staple in my makeup. I do really love it. I am wearing today, I don't know if you can tell, but if my skin is glowy, I've got the Tatcha Dewy Skin Spray that I got in the Space NK Advent Calendar. Oh, I love it. Can you see? Can you see a glowy dewiness to my face. I really like it. But if I'm looking for a proper setting spray, you know, one to really lock in the makeup so it's not going to budge, then this is the one I always go for. Always love getting these sizes. I've got a big one for home, but whenever I go away I always have a little one like that. So yeah, so far so good. Day number 6 down the bottom, I couldn't say that right then. We've got Blossom of Blossom. This is a Party Feet Soothing Leg and Foot Spray, and there's 75 mils there. I've tried this on before. I've tried it on. You know what I mean? I'm not going to show you my feet because my feet are awful, but I don't wear shoes. So I'm spraying my feet, but you're not going to see. I never wear shoes unless I have to drive or I have to walk down the road or something, and then I do. Oh, I can smell it. That's really nice. I have had this before. It's soothing Sicilian lavender, ylang ylang, jasmine, mandarin and musk blend. Eases your tired legs and feet. So there's that. Day number 7 down here. This is a MIGH Tea Moisture Balm, Hydrate and Nourish. This is from Delicious Natural Skin Food. It's formulated to moisturise, soften and deeply condition dry skin. It contains caffeine and shea butter. I love the packaging. Look at that. Hold balm against the skin for 2-3 seconds to warm. Rub balm directly onto dry areas. Oh, okay. Oh, same with these natural deodorants as well. You push up, oh, my finger's stuck. You push up the middle. So if I hold up my hand there, just to warm a little bit, just melting a little bit on my hand. Smell? Oh, it just smells of orange peel. That is so nice. And I'll put it on my nose again. That is so, so nice. I love citrus smells. Yeah, okay. You might not be able to see much, but I'm just putting it on my hand there. I always have dry hands. Oh, let's put some on my cuticles as well while I'm at it. So it's leaving my skin feeling super soft. It doesn't feel sticky, which I thought it might do. It's a little bit tacky, but no, I really like that. I love the smell. I'm thinking that might be really, really good, like for elbows and knees, and yeah, completely new. I really like that. Day number 8 up here, a big one. These are brilliant. I saw this on the website and I just thought it was a mask because, you know me, I don't look at things properly. But this is a turban, a hair turban. It's stretchy. I wear them. I'll show you mine. I know I deviate a lot in these videos, don't I? I love showing you things that I've already got. And this looks awful because it's all creased. But I got one here. I wear it every night. I look brilliant. I look really sexy in it. Yeah, my husband loves it. This is by Silk London. I got this about a year or 2 ago. I've got hair extensions in my hair and they're really long. I can't go to bed with my hair down because it's just all over me, especially in the heat that we've just had. So wearing these sort of turbans keeps it all neat and tidy, doesn't cause frizziness, and even when I haven't got my extensions in my hair is really thin and fine and quite long, and it stops it knotting, frizzing up. So no, they are really good. I tend to wear it more though when I have got extensions in. But no, I've got another one. This is a little stiffer, as in it's not as stretchy as my one. I'll see what that's like on my hair, but I might give that one to my daughter. Day number 9 up here. And we got Mario Badescu Skincare. This is a gentle foaming cleanser, and there's 29 mils there. This is okay. Foaming cleansers are hit and miss with me. I know my daughter loves Mario Badescu, especially the facial mists as well, so I might give that to her. Day number 10 over here. We have got a Sunday Rain Rejuvenating Body Scrub, Acai Berry, natural sugar with acai berry extracts, and there's 265 grams, so this is a big full-size pot there. I just got to sniff it instantly. Has it got a seal? Oh. Break that seal and sniff it. I got it all over my nails now. Oh. It's so nice. It is so nice. Oh, it looks like a slushie. Oh, and it smells like one too. Can you see? So it's a sugary paste to exfoliate your body. So we got a body scrub. Day number 11 over here. My fingers are all sticky now. I got sugar all over them. Oh, we got perfume. I didn't know we had a perfume in here. This is Ghost. I think it's 5 mils. It could be 7, but this is Ghost. It's Ghost by Moogler. I'm not sure. I have tried this before and I don't think I like it. Yeah, it's a little bit too sweet. I love, it goes me saying I love citrus smells and orange peel smells and that acai berry scrub, but when it comes to perfume, it's okay. It is a nice smell. If someone walked past me, I'd be like, that smells nice, but it's just a little bit too sweet for me. But I know my daughter would love that. Okay, day number 12 down here. Oh, Stila. We've got a Stay All Day liquid lipstick, full size. And what shade have we got it in? Patina. I have got a bright red, like a pillar box red. It's Stay All Day liquid lipstick. And it is beautiful. I love a long-lasting lipstick. And Stila do amazing ones. I like this shade. Very similar to what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a Huda Beauty one today. Don't know the name. Just don't look at the name, not really. It's a gorgeous rosy shade. Yeah, I like that. And that's going to stain on my hand now. That's not going to come off. Day number 13. Down here. Shiseido. This is a little sample or little mini. It's a Vital Perfection Uplifting and Firming Cream. And there's 15 mils here. So it's a little sample, but a sort of decent enough size sample. Shiseido is beautiful. I love the serums, the eye creams, this moisturiser. I've only ever had little samples like this and it is beautiful. It is such an expensive brand, but it's so luxury. I do really like it. It's so nice. Perfect for more colder weather. Day number 14 here. We got SVR. This is a B3 and Essence Hydra Repairing Solution Moisturising Replumping. It contains 2% vitamin B3 and hyaluronic acids, and there's 30 mils here. Okay. Soothes, smooths and hydrates 24 hours. Apply morning and evening to clean skin before your daily skincare. So you'd apply it either with your fingers or on a cotton pad or a cloth and apply it and pat it into your skin that way. So no, I haven't tried that one before, so that's something new as well. Day number 15. Down here we have got an Ico London. This is a Black Magic liquid eyeliner. I've tried this numerous times and we see it a lot in limited editions and subscription boxes and things like that. It is a nice liner. It's a brush liner, which I love, so you can get different strokes. You've seen this before I am, really. But yeah. Next we've got a eyeliner there. 16, where are you? Oh, at the top here. We've got Revolution. This is a Luster Highlighter Illuminator in Rose Gold. I'll just get it out and show you. Oh, I've had this before. So you've got mirror there. And you've got the rose petal there. I've had this before. It's a very crumbly, sort of creamy. Could mess with my finger. It's an amazing formula. It's so pigmented and creamy, but definitely not for a highlighter for me. I've kept it as an eyeshadow. I'm going to be passing that on because I don't need another one. Day number 17. Down here. Oh, we got another candle. This is by Woodwick. This is a cinnamon chai candle. Oh, I love candles. I really like this one. Look at the design. It's really pretty, isn't it? It's got a lid there. So this is your proper Christmassy smell. Yeah. The one that you put on the week leading up to Christmas. That sort of smell. The other one that we've got is more like now, autumn, winter type smell. I haven't had a candle from, what's it called again? Woodwick before. So no, so there's that. Day number 18 down here. Got a nail polish. This is by Nails Inc. This is a 45-second speedy gloss polish in Mayfair Made Me Do It. It's a beautiful colour. I have my nails done at a salon. They desperately need doing now. They're all popping off and snapping. But yeah, I wear nail polish on my toes though. I do really like that colour. Perfect Christmassy shade. Day number 19 up here. We've got a 7-day Elizabeth Arden Retinol Ceramide capsules. These are liner raising night serum capsules. I've tried these before and they're really nice as well. I've only ever tried samples like this, so I haven't tried them long term, so I can't really say if it's made a wow difference to my face. Little capsules there, you just peel the top off and then you just put it onto your skin. Again, handy to take away. Everything that is mini, that's all I think. Handy to take away with me for a night away or holiday or something like that. It is though, isn't it? Just little capsules. Only a few more left to go. Day number 20. Down here, we have got Algenist, Alguronic Acid and Vegan Collagen. This is a Genius Liquid Collagen Essence, and there's 6.5 mils there. I am sure I have got it in my ready to use pile. It looks amazing. I love the little balls in there. Vegan collagen is a new innovative technology created by binding together corn, soy and wheat protein fibers, resulting in a vegan amino acids that structurally mimic collagen that provide a function similar to animal-derived collagen. Ooh, is it able to come out? Yeah, just a little bit. I really need collagen. I keep going through phases of taking collagen supplements, but I haven't found any that doesn't taste of anything, or at least taste nice. The ones I've got, oh, they're just so disgusting. But this sounds really nice. I'm sure I have got it already. I'm sure I'm going to have a look. Day number 21, up here, we have got a sheet mask. This is by Starskin VIP, the Gold Mask, Rejuvenating Luxury Biocellulose Face Mask. And it tells you on the back how to use it. Can I tell you anything else about it? For all skin types, infuse with 30 mils of serum. It says here, tip, use the gold mask for a pre-bedtime beauty ritual. Remove before sleeping. I can feel it all in there. Yes, we've got a sheet mask. Day number 22 here. We've got my favourite primer. This is Professional by Benefit, and it's 7.5 mils. I've got a few dotted around. I get them in beauty boxes and I buy them. I've got a big full-size one myself as well. But yeah, it is brilliant for disguising your pores. It just creates a really nice sort of smooth canvas to apply your foundation on top. Yeah, it's again, just like the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. This is a huge staple in my makeup, and it has been for years. Day number 23, up here, we've got Lancome. This is Genifique Advanced, a youth activating concentrate. This is a serum, and there's 7 mils there. This is like a sample size. I received it, I think, in the next beauty advent calendar. I think so. One of them anyway. There's no information about it on the back here, but it's a serum and it's for all skin types. Day number 24, the last one in the advent calendar, and it's here. I've got Estee Lauder. This is a Double Wear Zero Smudge Lengthening Mascara. Oh, I really, really like this. This has got a really small wand, a really small thin wand there. But it really gets into my lashes really nicely. My lashes are thin, they're straight, and there's not much of them, but this one really gets in really nicely at the roots and lifts them. Yeah, I had this, I can't remember where, I had it probably in a beauty box a good couple of months ago, so no, really, really chuffed with it. It's a really nice mascara. So there you go, those are all the products in this year's Debenhams Beauty Advent Calendar. It has a value of £390, it can be bought for £85, and there's 14 full sizes in here. I love the fact that we've got a great mix of makeup and skincare, plus we've got 2 candles. There's a few products in there that I'm going to be passing on. There's also a few products that we see a lot of times in different beauty boxes. That's because I've been unboxing beauty products for years and years and years, so I'm used to seeing certain brands coming up frequently. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this one? Do you think it's worth the money? I think it's a nice calendar. I wouldn't say it's a wow calendar, but there's some really lovely products in there. I love the Stila lipstick. I love the Estee Lauder mascara. I love the candles. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's a good few products in there that I think, oh, this is really, really nice, and some new products for me to try that I've never tried before as well. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of it? Are you going to go for it, or are you thinking, nah, do you know what, it's not for me, I just watch your videos, Claire? Whatever your thoughts, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.